Good afternoon. This is what I bought. Oh, it smells so good. I can't wait to have my closet back in order. Oh my god.
Oh, that smells good.
I'm gonna let you smell what I have upstairs. If you want it, you can keep it because I don't really like it.
Is it spray or?
It's a spray, but I feel like you like that masculine smell a little bit.
Yeah.
I don't. Anyway, I'm just gonna leave it like this.
I'm surprised.
Why?
That you didn't put the bow back on.
I'll put it when it's in my closet. Should I put this hat on? Is this too much?
No.
Okay. You guys, we're gonna go to the house. I know, right? We're going every day. She told me my car's like I have a position like a bus driver. Because my armrest is high, the thing is high, my seat is high. I just can't see. I can't see, y'all. Nothing was going on with the house. It was just the way I left it. I don't know why I thought maybe they might have started working in the kitchen backsplash for some particular reason. But what I did do is I came up. You want to try it?
Yeah. Oh, wait.
You can take your fork. What is this? So here it is. It is called the pineapple bowl from Slapfish. It has a bad aftertaste. So they do grilled pineapples with shrimp, rice. This is that one. I think you'll like it. Let me stay parked in case you want one.
I'm not gonna want one because I'm gonna cook.
Okay.
It's really good.
You gonna go home and cook or you want one?
I am gonna cook.
But do you want one?
No, because then I'm gonna be full.
Still cook. So Boo could eat.
Okay.
That didn't take long to convince you.
Okay.
It's called the pineapple. Here.
The pineapple bowl?
You guys, it's good. I'm gonna tell you what I'm happy about. The kitchen sink, it doesn't have that middle partition for where the doors close. It's open. So I can actually purchase one of those roll-out shelves. That way.
Oh, yeah. I know what you're talking about.
Yep. And I couldn't do that before because there's a middle divider in this house over here. So I'm excited that I'm going to be able to buy that. And I love the rollout.
I'm just ready for you to cook.
You ready for me to cook?
I have my menu together.
What's on your menu?
Okay, the salmon with the yellow rice.
Okay.
That's number one. I think you have broccoli with it too.
Okay.
The spaghetti with the sausage. I want that. That was really good.
Girl, that was a throw together spaghetti.
It was good. It's like gourmet. That was good. Let me think. I think those are my top two.
Okay. Okay, so they have cleaned up a lot of the mess. Oh my goodness. And this right here, you guys, is for the spring. Oh, hold on. So this right here is for the sprinkler system and the power. You guys, they've written everything on there. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm also excited because they've put a lock on the door. I mean, it's still unlocked. The garage door is still unlocked, but oh, so pretty. Oh my goodness. And look at all the stonework. It's so nice. So the cleaning company just came in and they've cleaned a lot of the dirt that was actually on the steps. Of course, it's gonna get stained, it's gonna get repainted and all that stuff. So I'm not really bothered seeing all the scuff marks and everything like that. If you guys remember in the video that I'm posting, I'm telling you, like, even though there's a little bit that needs to be done, there's still so much that needs to be done. And one of those things is the staining on the tread. I do know that that's going to be the last thing that's going to get done. So they have to be finished upstairs, and they're not done with upstairs just yet. But the fireplace looks so good. A few days ago, I showed you guys the color I was going for and what they ended up doing. I don't hate it. I don't hate it. But they do need to fix the fact that this side here is a little wider in terms of the stone than that side right here. They have to fix that. I'm okay with leaving this like this because when I do move in, I'm gonna see if they can change the facing of the fireplace and just do something a little bit bigger with the woodwork and make the mantle, you know, a little bit bigger and stuff like that. But guys, the overall look, it looks really good, and I am really excited, really excited. But that's not all I wanted to share with you guys today. Just remember what I said. Pretend like y'all didn't even see this. And let me just say, just because right now you hear my voice and I sound all bubbly and excited, there's still things that they have to fix in the house. But I'm just, you know, not trying to think about it right now in this very moment. But let me turn around so you guys can see. You guys, look at my backsplash. It's so pretty. At first I was like, oh my gosh, I think I made a mistake going all white. But now that I'm looking at it, it's just so beautiful. What I am a little tight about though is why didn't they put it over there in that little niche? I don't know, I'm gonna ask about it. But I'm not sure if that's included in the package or if it was going to be extra or whatever. I don't know. I'm just really happy about this right now. So I'm trying to soak that in. And the reason is normally they would stop about here. Then they would have the range hood that comes here. And all of this was left exposed. But they decided to go ahead and do the whole entire run of the wall. Not the entire span at the top. Just this right here. And it looks so good. And you know what? I'm happy that I didn't do the color that's in the model home, which is what really had me second guessing myself, because the countertops is the fantasy, which is like probably in everyone's designer package when they go into a new build. And I think it actually makes a beautiful contrast, which I kind of seen it in design anyway, but I was just like, oh my gosh, the gray looks so pretty when I seen it in the model home and stuff. But this looks really good along with the countertop. It actually makes the countertops look a lot better, and I love it because it just looks so good. Ah! OMG, look at me, my little builder great home coming together. Okay. Oh my gosh, you guys, it looks so pretty. I cannot wait when I get to take a picture right here, and that faucet is just exactly the one that I want, so you guys can see everything. And then the door is painted, and then, oh my goodness, let me open up the door so you guys can see in there real quick. Hi.
Yeah.
You coming to clean?
Oh, we just had to clean the cabinet.
Yeah, we had to clean the cabinet.
You need to take pictures and stuff, don't you?
Yeah, I'm just doing a really quick video.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll go ahead and go. Just let us know when you finish.
2 seconds.
Okay.
Tops. One like 5 minutes. They're gonna come to finish cleaning and clean the cabinets. I can tell y'all now, they ain't cleaning like me. I can't wait to like deep clean this. It's gonna be so amazing. I'm gonna have to get, I'm gonna take one of these doors down and get some touch-up paint and just go around and hit some of these little, oh, that's what happened. They took the trim off. Anyway, so you guys, so this is the pantry, right? A lot of you guys have some questions, so I wanted to answer today. I know I look crazy, just bear with me, okay? So it's deep, right? This area right here is super deep and is wide. It's just as deep and wide as this cabinet right here. A lot of you guys were like, you don't have a microwave. Where the microwave go? So the plan is, if I can, I'm letting y'all know, Don't be asking me when I'm gonna do it because I don't really know. I have to make sure other things are done first. This is not like my number one priority. Because what I'm gonna do is do the Hello Fresh meals just because they come the perfect amount for the family, and cook that, and I won't have any leftovers, so I don't have to worry about warming up anything. Probably for the first 2 or 3 months, and no, it's not sponsored. I actually really love their meals. I'm gonna be doing it. So my plan is to take this door down, take the trim down, create a really nice arch, right? And take some of this away, right? And once that happens, do a small trim around the archway and stuff, make it real pretty. And then do cabinetry, which is why the plug's in there, up here, down here, with the fantasy countertop. And when you come inside, like this, the microwave, boop, will be right here. So I'll do the microwave center, shelving here, probably put some like cups or something, just so that way I'm not having like a whole bunch of stuff, little small shelving. And then down here we'll have the double cabinet, which is big enough to go in there. It looks really good. Right? I'm like, this looks so cute. But yeah, so that's what the plan is. Hello, my baby. You know what I'm like, I'm side eyeing them, because look.
What?
They didn't do that one.
Were they supposed to?
I don't know. Tell the guys to come inside, please, because they have to,
I think they went
to the house next door?
Yeah.
That's fine. They'll come back. They gotta clean up. They've been sweeping.
Oh, they're cleaning?
Yeah. Technically.
Next door.
Technically, they're cleaning. They ain't doing one of my type cleanings.
Oh, look at my nails.
You got it like mine?
It's not the exact color, but...
No. But you should
It's
tell
close.
me. It's cute. She
I was
did a
like-
really good job, though.
First, I was gonna get this gray, and then I was like, you know what? I was like, let me show Nadia because I'm gonna see her tomorrow.
It's pretty, though. You like it?
Yeah, it's cute. I probably won't get it again though.
Huh?
I probably won't get it again though.
Oh,
But
I do it because I can wear any color outfit and not have to worry about changing my nail color is why I do it.
Just like colors.
I'm gonna be doing my dishes in the sink. Oh, this is cute.
They
Okay.
look fast.
Well, that is it. I'm gonna try not to come over here every single day.
Yeah, right.
I'm gonna try not to come over here every single day. But it's just so exciting. This is so nice. I did a good job. Even though I had like bare minimum to select from, it looks good. It looks really good.
Yeah.
You see the trim, right? I think I can change the trim in here when I move in. I don't think it's gonna be that much. I think I can change it. If I just change it down here, make it bigger,
Yeah.
I think I can do that when I first get in here. He said he's running out of town. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy that I went with the bigger one too. It looks so good. Doesn't it look good?
Yeah, it looks really good.